MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com and State Farm.
As long as there are potholes, there will be wheel damage. And to give us some pointers about damaged wheels, we have Sam Friedman from Rim Renew. Sam, welcome to Goss's Garage.
Thank you, Pat.
All right, you brought us some examples of wheels. What are we looking at?
Well, we're looking at two very pretty wheels over here with not a mark on them, and then over here we've got some damage.
All right, this one looks familiar.
Yeah, all too familiar if you're in the Northeast. This is pothole damage. This customer came in complaining of a vibration. They didn't know why the car was vibrating at speed and took the wheel off and found that it is indeed bent on the inside lip. And it's on the inside lip. You just can't see it when the wheel is mounted to the car.
All right, what do you do to repair something like this?
We put a wheel like this on our rim straightening machine. It's a very slow, methodical pressing out of the wheel. And we get it within 20,000ths of an inch of a perfect circle to be spec, remount and balance the tire, and the car drives smoothly down the road.
All right, not a do-it-yourself repair, though.
Not a do-it-yourself repair. We see a lot of people that attempt this as a do-it-yourself repair, hit it with a hammer, and inevitably the wheel will end up cracking because aluminum does not like being hit with a sharp blow.
All right, and over there you have curb rash.
Curb rash, road rash, whatever you want to call it, it's all the same. It's ugliness, and we've all done it. Parallel parking, a little bit too close to the curb, and you hear the noise and you know exactly what it is. But the good news is this is repairable as well.
All right, how do you go about repairing that?
Well, there's three different options. In shop, out of shop, or maybe even do it yourself. In shop, we smooth out all the damage, and we powder coat the wheel back to its original color. Out of shop, we smooth out all the damage and then use wet paint. If we're doing a spot repair, we'll smooth out all this damage, put paint on, put clear coat on, and then use a blending agent to make the new paint melt into the old paint. If you want to try it at home, you can use some spray paint and see what result you get. Hopefully you're happy. If not, you can always come see a professional.
Okay. Now, our nemesis lots of times is chrome wheels.
Yeah, the chrome wheels will present with slow leaks, and from no apparent place until you start leak checking it, and then it'll end up being all the way around the entire wheel, front and back bead. And what happens is the chrome will delaminate from the aluminum underneath from corrosion. So those wheels either need to be scrapped and need to be replaced, or we do have some luck with putting them on a lathe and spinning them and remachining the inner and outer beads to make a smooth surface for the tire to mate up to.
Okay, and finally we have the ones with the plastic inserts.
Yeah, chrome clad or polycast. If those get scratched, they can't be fixed. It's a plastic part. They need to be replaced. If they get bent or cracked on the backside, they can be fixed as with other aluminum wheels.
Okay, Sam, thank you. And if you have a question or comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.